Today we're going to talk about Samsung's most popular series, the Samsung Galaxy A series. And among that, we're going to be talking about the Samsung's most popular smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A55. And you know what's more exciting? Well, there's some new features that were only available in the Samsung's premium smartphone that are now rolled out on the Samsung A55 and A35 as well. An amazing feature is called the Circle to Search. Wondering how this feature is used? Scrolling through social media for inspiration and come across a picture, just activate Circle to Search with Google, circle the image, search goes for landmark, monuments and lots more. And you know what? This seamless smart browsing experience is designed for users who crave efficiency and instant result. No more tedious searches, just a smooth, uninterrupted way to shop, explore and discover. Well, the Galaxy A55 and 35 5G come with Samsung's Knox security platform, providing a defense-grade layer of protection for your data. Also for users of both these devices, Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G will benefit the feature for up to 4 Android OS updates and 1 UI upgrades and 5 years of security upgrades, which simply means you can use these devices longer. And yes, as they stay as new as ever. You can buy these devices which have top-notch AI feature and security features at these costs.